In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export tasks from ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing, especially if you manage multiple teams or projects, because the export will come from the location you open next. Once you're inside ClickUp, navigate to the space, folder or list that contains the tasks you want to export. From there, open the list view. This is important because the export option we're using is available from the list view, and it lets you control exactly what task information gets included. When your list view is open, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Customize. This menu gives you access to several view and formatting options, including the export tool. Inside the Customize menu, click Export. This will open the export settings where you can decide what information you want to download. At this stage, choose what you want to export. You'll usually see options such as visible columns, task names only, or all columns. Visible columns will export the information currently displayed in your list, which is useful if you've already customized the view. Task names only is best if you just need a simple list of tasks. All columns exports all available task data, which is ideal if you want the most complete version of the list. Next, choose your file format. ClickUp allows you to export the list as either a CSV file or an Excel file. CSV is a good option if you want to work with the data in spreadsheets, databases, or other tools, while Excel can be more convenient if you want a familiar file format for editing and reviewing. If you choose CSV, you'll also need to set your export options, including the date format and time format. This helps ensure your exported data appears the way you expect, especially if you'll be sharing it with others or importing it into another system. If you want subtasks included in the export, go to the Subtasks option in the list view and select As Separate Tasks. This makes sure subtasks are included as their own entries in the exported file, which can make reporting and sorting much easier. After reviewing your export settings, click Download. ClickUp will generate the file for you, and depending on the size of the list, this may take a moment. Finally, open the downloaded CSV or Excel file. Your ClickUp task data is now available outside of ClickUp and ready to review, share, or archive. Keep in mind that export features and limits can vary depending on your ClickUp plan and user permissions. Thanks for watching.